Hi, can you hear me? How are
आप
you?
कहाँ दिल्ली? गुड आप दिल्ली में मुंबई में?
Delhi mein.
क्या
This has
कर
made
रहे
it
हो?
easier. Now we don't need to fly down. We can still interact.
What fun.
So how's it going with you?
I am enjoying this lockdown, but I've been a naughty boy. मैंने जाके अभय 2 की शूटिंग करके आया हूँ मैं नासिक में because हम लोग को रिलीज करनी थी on the 14th of August. So
Yeah.
I did a COVID test, which was very scary. And when I got the result and I was negative, I was so excited. I almost had a party. But then I drove to Nasik with my team and stayed at the Taj and reported for shooting the next day. और by God, जब मैं set पे पहुंचा, पहले first 15 minutes बहुत ही worrisome था. I was scared, worried, you know. But then things became easier. Then I was back to being Chunky Pandey.
And of course, Chunky Pandey, you've always brought a smile on our face, and I'm someone who grew up watching your films in the sense like I was in college when Tezab came out. So,
Really?
so back in the day, yes, I've watched Aagi Aag, I've watched Tezab, so I've watched all of that. So
Wow.
how is this new phase, your digital debut with Abhay 2?
Of course, digital debut, and what a debut to make with my favorite show. In fact, I'd seen Abhay last year, और मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी थी. I just loved Kunal Khemu, the character, जो उसका शैतान दिमाग चलता है. And I was just wondering, इसका sequel कब बनेगा? And when the sequel was made good enough, they thought about me, and when they told me about the character and Ken Ghosh narrated it to me, मैंने एक second में हाँ बोल दिया. I said, this is something I have to do. So I'm excited to be on such a big platform like ZEE5 and such a big show. So yeah, it's a great debut to make.
And also, do you think that these platforms, like since you've done cinema and back in the day, 90s, when you were doing 3 shifts a day and shooting for 3 movies in a day, do you think now with this platform things are a little more organized and it's an equal platform for everybody?
Yeah, it is beautiful because it is a unique platform. Dekho, you can't compare the two because cinema is cinema. Films are made for cinema. You're supposed to enjoy them on that big screen. You go with an audience, you laugh, you cry, you do that action, you clap, you whistle. That is cinema. But these seasons which are made are so beautifully done on the digital platform. It's unbelievable. Or yeah, you have the license to kill because यहाँ कोई censorship नहीं होता है. You can say what you want to. Creatively, you can go to town with it. There is no star system as to that. Star system as to the sellability of the star. Box office में लोग जाके tickets खरीदेंगे नहीं खरीदेंगे. Here there's no problem like that, and you're getting some great talent coming out. And in fact, there's such hidden gems in the industry. कि कुछ actors who have gone unnoticed for so long suddenly have are shining so brightly on the OTT platform, which is really, really, really good. So, मैं समझता हूँ this is the golden era of entertainment. It has never been so easy. It has never been so good, and I think it's the most beautiful moment for the entertainment industry.
And as you rightly said about the star system, because there was always this sellability of a star, and the box office also, OTT is free from the box office, where every Friday your future is made or unmade,
Yes,
and
yes.
And you've seen it all yourself because that's why you took a break. And then when you reinvented yourself and came back and chose to play the characters that you have. But was that phase in the middle also like it's a very competitive place and it's also a very lonely industry?
Yeah, but it's how you handle it, because I keep telling people, I keep telling my daughter especially, I keep telling her failure is a very easy thing to handle because no one's looking at you when you fail. You can do anything. You can go and murder people. Success is very difficult to handle. Because so much comes with it, so much baggage comes with success, and then you have to keep up with your success, and that is very difficult because your success is just dependent on your box office.
Yeah.
So it's tough. It puts a lot of emotions into an actor, but one has to handle it. I mean, you learn, you go through it. It's a process. You grow up doing it, Yeah.
So what is that one change that you've seen from the 90s and now in terms of movies? How has the industry changed for the good or for the bad?
No, it's become better. It's become better. I mean, of course, I miss my good old masala films. Yeah, I mean, I'm a great fan of masala movies, and you see a film on the same film in a theater, and you see it on your television. You'll enjoy it in both the places, but what you've only seen on television won't be as memorable as what you saw in the cinema. That will stay with you all your life because it's that experience of going there, on that big screen, eating the popcorn and, laughing with your friends. So it's more like going to a shadi.
True, very true. And
So
also
I would
it's very interesting, as you said, that you also did a couple of Bangladeshi films in the middle, and you were very honest when you said this part of the generation kind of is not does not know me well enough, and you came back as a Aakhri Pasta. Then we saw you in villainous roles, and Aakhri Pasta is of what little kids actually identify you with as. So, what was that phase like when you just like transformed yourself?
No, so I was just telling this to someone. There was this, when I came back from Bangladesh, the whole generation had forgotten me completely. They didn't know, they were clueless who I was. Because I had taken a sabbatical from 93 to almost 2003. So 10 years,
It's 10
10 years is
years.
a lot. Yeah. So I remember this 5-year-old kid comes and says, Uncle, what is your name? And I got a little amused and disturbed. And I said, go ask your mother. Because if he's 5, I'm sure the mother must have seen my film. So then I said, I have to win over this 5-year-old child, and every human being has a 5-year in their heart. When we go to the cinema theater, we become children. You want to laugh, you want to cry, you want to have fun. So I wanted to play to those galleries, to those 5-year-olds. And for that, I needed these kind of characters like Rana Jang Bahadur from Apna Sapna Mani Mani or Aakhri Pasta. So I needed those larger than life, very entertaining characters. And I was very lucky Sajid Nadiadwala, Sajid Khan gave me this chance of putting me on that platform of Aakhri Pasta, and they had to tolerate me 4 times in 4 different sequels.
But I'm sure nobody can get enough of Aakhri Pasta if we actually wait for. And then, of course, the villainous role in Saho and films like that. So it's really an interesting mix. What kind of genre you actually want to explore now?
After this, I mean, of course, there's the emotional angle because I'm very bad at emotional stuff. Because I'm not an emotional person. मैं emotional खाली films में होता हूँ. When I go to see a film, all my emotions come out. But otherwise, in real life, I cannot emote that well. Especially अगर किसी को रुलाना पड़े, then I'm not very good at that. So I want to try my hand at that. कोई emotional role करके, some actors are very good at it. यार इसने रुला दिया, मजा आ गया. I have not been able to make anyone cry.
No, because I think when we go to a film to watch Chunky Pandey, we want to come back laughing and smiling, and having seen your films, even Tezab was a brooding young man, but everybody came back, with all that angst, but was happy. And then, of course, Aankhe, films like that,
Thank you.
So, and what do you make of this current situation? There's a lot of insider versus outsider talk happening. You were an outsider. Now, your daughter is carrying forth the profession that her father chose. She's the insider. What is your take on it?
I don't know. I've never felt any difference. It's just that it's being talked about now. These new words like insider, outsider, nepotism. These are all new words to me. And this has been in the industry for so long. There are people who are from the industry who come. There are outside people who come. It's all about talent. It's all about, it's all about acceptance. More than talents, it's acceptance. Because the only thing I used to worry about my child was when she joined the movies, it wasn't the success or the failure of a film. Of course, every parent would want the child to succeed. But in India, to be a star, you have to be accepted by the audience. Very important. And that was my only worry that, my daughter's coming in. Will she be accepted? Will they love her like her own? Will they treat her accept her? Like they accepted me as a hero back in the day. So that is very important to be a part of the film industry, the acceptance, especially if you're in front of the camera.
And also your daughter is also very in the way she started this whole be positive thing, because online trolling in our time, there was nothing like online trolling. There was no social media. It was a little easier. Your every move. Can you imagine having made your debut this time vis-a-vis when you made your debut?
Yeah, this is very dangerous because मुझे याद है when I was very young, my first, third, fourth film I went to see in the cinema theater. The film was Khatron Ke Khiladi with Sanjay Dutt, Dharamji and me. And I remember someone from the audience shouting, "Oh Dharamji, zara Chunky Pandey ko zyada marna." So, trolling was all that sweet. They would abuse you and all, but it was all with fun. But now trolling has just become, they just write all nonsense under your photographs and they don't even know what they're saying. And I know it's tough, I'm sure, for a young mind to read all those things. Of course, it requires a lot of counseling and a lot of guts to be there and take all that. And I think that's why Ananya started this cause of Be Positive, because and I see a lot of kids also getting trolled and people's children getting trolled, which is not really good because you shouldn't pick on children, you know. But these things happen. You've got to learn to live with it, because if you put yourself out there, you're going to get all these big bads. And that's all I can tell my kids. You know, if you're going to go there, be prepared for this.
What was your biggest worry when she decided to come in the films?
How being accepted by the audience. That was my biggest worry. That how will the audience react to her? So that was my biggest worry. Nothing else.
Will we see you and her together? And what genre of movie would you want it to be, the two of you?
I'd love to do a comedy with her. Because she's got a great sense of humor. And so I would love to do like, so, you know, if you ever put a camera in my house is like a comedy show. I mean, we're always laughing and we're making fun of each other. And it's a very casual, fun house. It's like one of those soap operas which you see.
Keeping Up with the Pandays.
Keeping Up with the Pandays, yeah. So I've got these two girls. I've got my lovely wife. I've got two dogs. And yeah, it's a lot of entertainment.
And since, I mean, and perhaps this is the first time, I mean, everybody's together in one space, which is that one discovery you've made about Bhavna, your wife, in these 4 months, jo pehle nahi pata tha.
She can't cook to save her life.
Not getting dinner tonight.
but I know I've had it. But Bhavna is, she's the one who keeps the whole family together, because, you know, she's the centrifugal force in the house, actually. Yeah, so that's Bhavna. But the three of us can cook, she can't cook, so we cook and feed her.
Awesome. And also coming back to Abhay, there is an interesting thing that he's a man, एक 3 चेहरे होते हैं जो आप दिखाते हो लोगों को, एक जो अपने लिए होता है that you don't want to show the world, and there is one for the family. So it's like a family man with a twist, like something we saw, or is it totally different?
Yeah, it's a character, 3D character है, literally 3-dimensional. सुबह को कुछ और है, दोपहर को कुछ और है, और रात को कुछ और ही बन जाता है. He's a very sweet uncle kind of a character, and you love him, but you'll also get very scared of him. And he is the last person you'll expect to do the things he does. Very, very bad things. He's got a slight slouch, he hunches, slight limp in his walk, big stomach, and very sweet. You can't imagine this man. You don't want to meet him, but you can't imagine what all this man does.
What if you were to meet a man like him?
What if मैं तो भाग जाता, मैं तो 100 किलोमीटर दूर भाग जाता. It is very bad, the things he does. Oh my God. I'm sure my wife will not sleep in the same bed with me. She'll change bedrooms.
But you know, also Shah Rukh had spoken to him, and he said playing a dark character is very interesting because it makes you go back. Everyone has that dark space in their head to, you know, basically deal with that. So what was it like for you to explore this character? Is it liberating or is it challenging?
No, so bachpan se I wanted to be a villain. I mean, you know, I loved Prem Chopra. I loved Jeevan Saab. I loved Amjad Khan. I loved Pran Saab. तो लोग बड़े बन के हीरो बनना चाहते हैं, मैं बड़ा बन के विलेन बनना चाहता हूँ हमेशा. I've always rooted for the villain. I love the films where the villain wins, you know? The bad guy wins. But this character is a psycho. He is not of sane mind. So he's dark and he's a little crazy also. So ये मौका मुझे I'd never imagined someone will take me in a role like this. So this has been very challenging and very disturbing also.
And your favorite character of all time that you've played, your favorite film or a character?
Mamma mia, you're talking to Akhri Pasta. I love Akhri Pasta. I love him. And of course, I've played him 4 times. So he is something, he comes to me very naturally.
Have you ever been to Italy and tried your Akhri Pasta on one of the Italianos there?
Yeah, in fact, when I remember we were shooting for what am I saying? When we were shooting for Houseful, in Houseful 1 in Bari, and I remember there's this scene where Akshay is standing in the balcony on top, and I'm telling my security, usko dhakka maro because meko hotel ka publicity chahiye. वो मर जाएगा तो मेरे को publicity मिलेगा. So I remember all the Italian people were standing around me and they saying, "You're talking like an Italian." I said, "I am half Italian. I am George Clooney of India." So they actually believed I was George Clooney of India. So they said, "Who's that man there?" Akshay Kumar. I said, "He's my stunt double." So when Akshay found out about it, he got so angry because Sajid Khan went and told him this, that I told the Italians. So he came to beat me up. Yeah. But we keep playing all these pranks on each other. Obviously, Akshay is the George Clooney of India. I made myself the...
Yeah, interesting, right? But you make us laugh. So, I mean, yeah. But what if Aankhe was to be made in this time? In 2020, Aankhe mein kya haal hota? Would have been a mask wali, zara naam to bata.
लाल दुपट्टे वाली तरह तो बंदर तो अभी तक गोरिल्ला बन जाता. And Govinda, according to me, is the most talented actor in the film industry. I love him. And I think we would be the fathers like Kader Khan and this thing. And I think in the younger lot, I wonder, whom would I cast? I would cast Varun Dhawan and Ranveer Singh.
Perfect. It would have been perfect.
They would do full justice to these characters.
It would have been perfect. So awesome speaking to you. So what can we expect? How has the lockdown been for you? And what can we expect post the lockdown?
Post the lockdown, you'll be seeing me on OTT and more OTT. But post lockdown, I'm just waiting to go and jump into my swimming pool. Yeah. I miss my swimming every day. I used to swim every day of my life. And now I'm totally shattered because there's no swimming. But jis din khulega na mera swimming pool, you'll find one man running half naked on the road in swimming trunks, running to the club to swim.
Awesome. Thank you so much. And is there a quote or something that motivates you, something that you live by, a mantra or something?
Live and let live.
Which is so true, which is also very important these days. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.